Hello, superstars! Are you ready for a fun English adventure? Today, we are going to play games, solve puzzles, and even meet a silly monster. We'll learn how to say, yes, there is, no, there isn't, yes, there are, and no, there aren't. So, let's go! Look, this is my kitchen. What do you see? Is there a banana in the fridge? Yes, there is. Now, say it with me. Yes, there is. Is there a robot in the fridge? No, there isn't. Say it with me. No, there isn't. When we talk about one thing, we say is. For example, is there a pizza on the table? Yes, there is. Or, is there a pizza on the table? No, there isn't. Let's practice with a chant. Is there a cat in the sink? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Is there a frog on the plate? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Now, it's your turn. Let's talk about many. Wow! Look at this classroom. Are there books in the shelves? Yes, there are. Say it with me. Yes, there are. Are there dinosaurs in the classroom? No, there aren't. Say it with me. No, there aren't. When we talk about many things, we say are. For example, are there crayons on the desk? Yes, there are. Or, are there crayons on the desk? No, there aren't. Let's practice the chant again. Are there shoes on the chair? No, there aren't. No, there aren't. Are there pencils in the box? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. It's game time. Let's play Spot the Answer. I'll show you a room and ask a question. You say the answer. Is there a teddy bear on the bed? Yes, there is. Are there ducks in the tub? Yes, there are. Are there bananas on the table? No, there aren't. Is there a frog in the garden? Yes, There is. Great job. You are amazing. Meet Fluffy the friendly monster. Fluffy hides things in the house. Let's find out what he did. Is there a sock in the fridge? Yes, there is. Are there apples in the fridge? No, there aren't. Is there a pencil in the sink? Yes, there is. Are there shoes in the tub? Yes, there are. Fluffy put them there.
Fluffy, you are so funny.
Grab your pencil and paper. It's time to draw your dream room. Draw 3 things you want in your room. Ready? First, draw a thing you used to sleep on. Then, draw a pet. Lastly, draw things you play with. Let's go! Now, let's ask and answer together. Is there a bed in your room? Are there teddy bears in your room? Is there a crocodile in your room? Now, let's sing. Sing to a melody of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Wow! You did an awesome job today. Now, you know how to say, yes, there is, no, there isn't, yes, there are, and no, there aren't. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this fun with your friends. And remember, is there fun in learning English? Yes, there is. Bye bye, superstars. See you next time.